Spooyt Vane. The gracious chapel shows its age, the many years have taken toll. Panes cracked and lost some absent slates, but walls gave strength to many a soul. The walls now held in ivy's grip, the door looks out on ancient ways, that many walked to fields and fairs, as was the custom in those days. A winding road leads to the stream with ford above the great Spooyt Vane, where brown trout lurk in shadowy pools and follow meanders down the glen. And bound by tall beech and elm, an ancient keel in peaceful shade, forebears called at Carbel Ferric, its earthen banks so neatly laid. For ages great Glenmoor has known the tread of foot, the tramp of horse, the hiss of steam, the singing rail, as iron spanned its water's course. Now memories linger like the scent of honeysuckled summer's eve, where bluebells throng rejoicing spring, soon winter's grip, but do not grieve. For always man has touched each season, known that summer follows spring. The quiet chapel and the keel have known the praising voices sing. Pathways buzz with children's laughter, the chaffinch and the raven's call. All who discover will be moved by the peace at Spooyt Vane fall.